Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I know, it's been life has just been crazy. But hey, welcome back, and I got something exciting to share with all of you. In fact, I need your help because I am in the process of looking for a good exhaust system for my G82. Let's talk about it. So if you guys follow my channel, I've been to the track quite a few times, and let me give you guys a little introduction to my co-pilot. This is dAHLer, the most chillest dog there is. He's the Westie, and he is the Westie. Yeah, he's falling asleep. Look at him. He's like so chill in his little car doggo seat. Yeah, no kids for me, just a dog. And he's literally like a toddler. If you know anything about Westies, they are basically toddlers. Anyways, yeah, he loves riding shotgun. He has a car seat. It's super safe, guys. I promise you. Where was I? Yeah, I want to make my car loud, like stupid loud and controllable loud. So essentially what I'm running right now is a dAHLer full catback system. I removed the resonators and make sure I'm still recording. And essentially it sounds great. You know, I'm happy with how it sounds out in the streets. Really loud when I need to be. It's controllable. So I actually programmed my, my rear view visor smart buttons to program the actuator valve controller to shut off and on when I need to, because it does burble quite a bit and it does get kind of annoying at times, especially if I'm around a cop. I have the ability to shut it off. So I have the valve actuator, and I do have the dAHLer catback exhaust system. Thank you so much, Kies Motorsports, Brian and Gary out there. So it's great, but I still have the cats, and I know for a fact that the moment I remove those cats, go with the downpipe, I have to get a tune. And if I get a tune, I'm just afraid because of what happened with my 320i. If you follow along the journey, you know that I blew up my 320, and I did, and it was because of the tune, right? The N20 motor can only handle so much, and the tune that I got caused a lot of stress, and it ruined the third cylinder. It bored out the wall, and yeah, I had to get rid of it. So I'm kind of scarred, but I know that the N20 and the G82 have a very much different motor, right? The S58 is a beast of a motor. It can handle a tune. It can handle that stress. The N20 can't, right? That motor is not meant to be tuned. It's a daily driver, an economical motor. So obviously different, obviously very much different capabilities. So can the G82 S58 handle a tune? 100%. Am I scared? Yes. Will it sound really cool? Hell yeah. If I can control the burbles and just the extra horsepower, I mean, gosh, it would really take me over 500, maybe 550 horsepower, maybe even close to 600 horsepower with that tune. So I'm really excited to see what that would look like, but it requires a few things. I have to get a downpipe, I have to deal with that, and I have to deal with finding a good actuator system where I can still control when the exhaust flaps open and not, because I'm not actually going to go gun-ho and straight pipe it because that's just ridiculous, right? I'm going to get pulled over and stuff. So I want to be prominent at the track, controllable in the streets. And again, my goal also, guys, is to make this a full club spec car. It's kind of my goal here. I want to make this a club sport car where it looks tasteful on the streets, looks presentable when I go see my clients, because this is my daily, right? I go see clients with this car and I show up to the front. I want them to not think I'm some like a schmuck of a guy, you know, with a toy of a car. I want them to take it professionally, right? It makes a difference. Presentation does matter. But also have some fun out on the track. I want to have some fun at the track, and I could do that by making it a club sport car. So that's my goal right now with this car, is to make it club sport. But right now on the docket is to make it loud. So I need your help. Let me know what you recommend. Let me know if you're running a really nice exhaust system on your G80. I would love to know what you're running and how it's performing with a tune or not. I'm very familiar with BM3, and you know, boot mode is awesome. I trust them. There's others that have come out that are really awesome. So let me show you guys where the car is at currently. I am driving at the moment, so I'm going to turn on my microphone, so let's do that. Boom, mic on. Yep, the microphone is on. And hopefully you guys hear what I'm hearing. And hopefully it's not too loud, but we do not need noise cancellation for the exhaust pipe, but it is going to be stupid loud, so this is going to be interesting. So let's give it a whirl. This is how my exhaust currently sounds out on the street. Exhaust fully open, sport mode, the full thing. My dog is tripping out. He doesn't like it when I do that. But I do. Sorry, Doggo. This is just me cruising. I'm going about 40 miles an hour. Getting a few bops and bangs. My second gear currently. Second gear is when you have a lot of fun because these motors can rev pretty high and not run into any issues. Do another pool. Hang on, Doggo. So that's how it sounds like right now, right? And if I shut off my sport mode, it's definitely different. This is how it sounds like. Cruising, no pops. I'm letting go of the throttle. I'm still stuck in third gear right now. It's a second. It's a lot different. Very quiet, very conservative, which is kind of the goal here with what I'm trying to do. So that's the goal, guys. That's what I'm trying to do. Let me know your feedback. If you have, a G8x and you're running a really nice exhaust system, I would love to know your thoughts. What you're running, what your setup looks like. Drop a comment below and what that is. That's my goal. That's what I'm trying to do right now at the moment. There are some other modifications that I'm going to do to this car that I'm really excited about. I am going to get a two-piece rotor system, upgraded brakes. I have to do a brake flush. And new tires because the tires I'm running are not suitable for the track. So again, aiming towards the club sport car vibe and feel for this build, I guess. But I'm really excited for what's happening. Make sure you give me a follow because I am going to be uploading more. So guys, thank you so much for your time. Kies Motorsports, thank you so much. You are my partner, and I only shop with them, guys. Check them out. Reach out to Brian and Gary. They'll hook you up and they'll take care of you guys that you have on all my 3 BMWs. They have been the shop that takes care of me. So thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. We'll see you.